In front of me is Xiaomi 11 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher to activate it at the top right corner, and to go back to standard keyboard, click on this arrow at the top left one. Now it's time to copy or cut any text, and to paste it, click on it at the top of your keyboard, or click on Clipboard and paste it by clicking on it here. To pin it, use this pen at the top right corner, click on your text and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, tap on the pen again, select your text and use pin icon over here. Now to disable Clipboard, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!